Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the buzzer switch on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the buzzer isn't working properly or because it's constantly buzzing. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4 inch nut driver and a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the washer we'll be using in this demonstration. It's an Amana, and yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. We're going to have to turn our washer around and take some screws out. So in order to get the control console off, we're going to have to undo 4 screws. You've got these 2 screws up here, and then 2 screws that are inside right there. We're going to start with our 1/4 inch nut driver, and we're going to remove this screw here. Now I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the other 2 screws. There we go. And these screws actually don't come out of there. They kind of just stay right there. Now that those screws are out, what we can do is push our console forward and just lean it down now. So this right here is our buzzer switch. In order to get it off, first thing we're going to do is remove these 2 wires here. And after we take the wires out, we're going to take a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the screw here. There we go. Now we can remove the buzzer switch by angling it up at about a 45-degree angle and pulling it out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement buzzer switch. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we're going to put our switch into place. And you'll see on the front there's a small tab, and we'll put that into the hole there. And then we can line up the other side with the screw hole, and then we'll put the screw in there just like that, and we'll screw it down in place. Once you've got that screw nice and tight, we can put the wires back in. Then we can put the control console back on. Now we're going to put our console back into place, and we're going to slide the top over the metal here, just like that. And you're going to want to make sure that the straps are on the outside so you can screw them back in. As you do this, you're also going to want to make sure that the clips on the bottom of the console are inside the bottom holes right here. Now we can screw everything back in. There we go. And once you've got those screwed in, you can turn everything back around, plug it back in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.